Hey, it's Caleb. We're in the boat today, so we're working on the seats. We're going to install a new seat pedestal. Due to my mum has a bad back. The new one has a built-in shock absorber, so we're going to switch out the old one. Right, we've got the base off, but as you can see they're two different sizes. So we're going to have to line up the hole with the other base, make sure it's straight, drill some holes. Okay, now it's time to re-drill the holes. Right, so we got the new base in now. We had to make up some angle supports, and we'll try it next time we go fishing.